Good afternoon, guys. In this video I'm going to get right to business and show you one of my favorite one-pot camping meals. Now this is a meal that I've been taking camping for me for well over 10 years, and if I remember right, I actually found it on the back of a Rice-A-Roni box. Now this is a meal that you can pre-cook at home, and you can put it in a container and warm it up once you reach your campsite. Or you can cook it while you're out in the outdoors. Like I said, it only takes one pot and it's super simple. Now let me show you these 4 ingredients. We have 1 large chicken breast that I've already diced up. We got 1 can of kidney beans. We got our box of Rice-A-Roni Spanish rice. And we got 1 16-ounce jar of paste salsa. Now I prefer mild, but if you like your food a little hotter, you can do medium or hot. Now the first thing we need to do is just go ahead and cook up the Spanish rice as per the directions on the box. One thing I would like to mention is you need to find the Spanish rice that actually requires 1 can of diced tomatoes. The salsa replaces the tomatoes, and we're going to go ahead and add that right now. Just going to get this all mixed up. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let this simmer down a little bit before we add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, starting to thicken up, so we're going to go ahead and add our chicken now. There we go. Get that stirred in, let that... Alright, so we brought this back up to a boil again to make sure our chicken is thoroughly cooked. Starting to thicken up and look really nice. So the final ingredient we're going to add our can of kidney beans. I'm personally not going to add the whole can. I'm just going to add enough to kind of dress it up a little bit. Just add that extra little flavor that the kidney beans will add. Alright, we're going to let this simmer for about 5 more minutes and it should be ready to go. Alright, this is done. It's thickened up. Chicken's done, rice is done. It looks great. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple ways you can serve this. Well, here it is. You can dish it up in a bowl just by itself. I put some shredded cheese on top with some sour cream. It can be, you can take some tortilla chips, eat it with chips. It's just awesome. This is how I prefer it, on flour tortillas, and it's like a chicken wrap. Once again, I put some shredded cheese and sour cream. Alright guys, that turned out awesome as usual. I love the flavor. Hey guys, if you're looking for a one-pot, easy camping recipe, give this a try. You won't be disappointed. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.